Hello everyone, welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep channel. My name is Pawan and I am the product manager here at Clat for Abhyaas, and today I am going to discuss with you about National Law University Odisha. Actually each and every NLU after the 5th round of Clat are publishing their vacant seats available in their NLU in their own website. So it is difficult for visiting each and every NLU website and checking for the vacant seats. So we have curated each and every NLU into a single page with their application link and vacant seats notification link. So you can see here National Law University vacant notification, announcement date, application link, and also number of vacant seats. Now I am going to talk with you about NLU Odisha. NLU Odisha has a notification link here, so click on that one, you will get the same notification. Okay, you got the same notification, and in that notification the announced date is 25th July, and what was given is the Clat candidates who have appeared in Clat 2022 under All India and Odisha domicile, General ST and SC, and their names are reflected in Clat 2022 merit list, desirous to take admission in BA LLB and BBA LLB. We are not considered about LLM at NLU Odisha. Should apply as per the instructions given below by 11:30 p.m. of 31st July. What is the last date? 11:30 p.m. of 31st July. The interested candidates need to deposit an application fee of 1000 through SBI Collect or HDFC Bank. Okay, application form will be non-refundable and non-adjustable. Apply online and pay application fees online. No other mode of application shall be accepted. So if you want to apply through HDFC, click on the first one. If you want to click through SBI, click on the second link. I have opened both of them, or you can go to our website and click on the first link or second link which are mentioned in the application form. Total 15 vacancies are there. Now after going into application form, select your program, name of applicant, roll number, score, rank, category, date of birth, mobile number, each and every detail here, amount, and click on submit. Then you will pay the fee and you will get a transaction receipt, acknowledgement or e-receipt, which you have to send to the email ID admissions2022 at nluo.ac.in. By what time? You have to send it before 11:55 p.m. of 31st July. 11:55 p.m. of 31st July along with the payment receipt. Next, merit list will be placed in the website on 2nd August. When it will be placed? On the 2nd August. Next, candidate whose names are in the provisionally selected list required to pay the first semester fee for academic year 1,51,000 for BA LLB or 1,16,000 for BBA LLB. Okay, 1,51,000 for BA LLB and also BBA LLB, sorry, and 1,16,000 for LLM. We are not considered about this one, so only it is 1,51,000 for BA LLB and BBA LLB. By what date? 4th August, 11:30 p.m. When the result will be there? 2nd August. When you have to apply? You have to apply before 31st of July 2022. Okay, when will be the rank published? Merit list published 2nd August. And when you have to pay the fees? 4th August 2022 by 11:30 p.m. The payment can be made through any of the above payment gateways, both of them. After that, again you have to send your acknowledgement receipt full fees by 11:55 p.m. of 4th August. The vacancies are given below. Okay, total all India vacancies are BBLLB 12 seats are there. Okay, 12 seats in all India. Next, ST 1 is there, Odisha domicile 1 is there, and next LLM all India 1 seat is there, and PWD category Odisha domicile 1 seat is there, and all India LLM 2 seats are there. So for us as of now, BBA LLB 12 seats, ST all India 1 and domicile 1, PWD domicile Odisha 1. Total how many seats are there? 14 seats are there in DBA. So you can see here how many seats are given, 15 seats. Okay, one seat may be for the special category. Next, number of vacant seats is varying depending upon the withdrawals of admitted students from the program. That's why it is different. Okay, candidates of any category may apply in case of any future vacancy in that particular category, and they will consider the only candidates of that category. The seats will be allotted as per the Clat 2022 rank and the available vacancies. So this is about the NLU Odisha vacant list, and then you can go to the website if you are having any other doubts, or feel free to comment in the video, and I will paste the description links also, and also the website link, and you can always check our website for the other NLU videos.